Did you know that if you made a promise to another person to get married to them, but do not carry through with that promise, he or she may find remedy under the law? This is what we'll be discussing today. Hi, my name is Naofebia Mensah. Welcome to Legal Moments. The promise made may be express or implied. It will be deemed as express when it is done, for example, through a proposal, or implied when we can detect it from the party's behavior or conduct, for example, through the exchange of engagement rings. Once the promise for marriage is made seriously, the party making it will be bound by it. Therefore, a breach of it will open him or her up for a possible lawsuit. There are two types of breaches: anticipatory breaches and non-performance breaches. A breach will be deemed to be anticipatory when, for example, an event takes place that will prevent the promising party from carrying out his or her promise. For example, Kofi agrees with Amma to get married in the year 2021 under the ordinance, but in the year 2020, he gets married to Ekia under the same ordinance. By law, ordinance marriages are monogamous, and for which reason he cannot subsequently get married to Amma. Amma knows that she does not need to wait for the year 2021 to arrive before taking on Kofi for breaching the promise he made to her. On the other hand, a breach will be deemed to be a non-performance breach when Kofi agrees to marry Amma on a specific date. However, after that date has long passed, he still has taken no steps to carry through with his promise. Amma can then take on Kofi for breaching the promise he made to marry her. Under such circumstances, the aggrieved party may take steps to sue the offending party for damages. The quantity of damages that may be awarded to the aggrieved party, if he or she can establish their case in court, is determined by the entirety of the facts and the weight of their evidence. Note that a court cannot make an order for specific performance when it comes to a breach of promise to marry. This is because nobody can be forced to enter into a marriage. A question that is also commonly asked is what happens to the gifts that the parties may have exchanged between themselves before the breach? The answer to this depends on two things. 1. The reason for giving the gifts, and 2. Who is breaching the promise. So for example, if Kofi gave a gift to Amma in contemplation of marriage, and Amma decides that she no longer wants to carry through with that promise between the two of them, Amma is bound to return the gift to Kofi. However, if Kofi, the promising party, breaches this agreement or promise between himself and Amma, he has lost every right to make a claim for those gifts. So note that when you make a promise to another in relation to marriage, the law takes it very seriously, so that when you breach it, you open yourself up to a possible lawsuit. If you are new to this channel, welcome home. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Let's get interactive in the comment section, and turn on your notification button so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next episode.